Hello everyone, I am Sajad and you are watching Pharma Inform. In Pharma Inform, today we are going to start a new series which is HVAC. HVAC is a very interesting series because most of the people are not aware of the HVAC. In fact, everyone know what is HVAC term mean, but they are not familiar with the functions of HVAC, structure of HVAC, how HVAC work, and what is the role of HVAC, different parts of the HVAC. The people are not aware of these things, but in this series, if you watch the complete series of HVAC, you will be able to understand the basic and fundamental requirements of HVAC. So in this playlist we will discuss what is HVAC. Basically HVAC, some people called it HVAC, some call it HVAC. HVAC mean heating, ventilation and air conditioning system. If you have noticed that on the buildings roof we almost everyone see a blue color box. Sometimes we also see ducts, and in the hospital, industries, pharmacies and different buildings everyone see different types of grills. Inside the building rooms we see the grills, and on the roof of the building we see blue color box. So these are all the parts of HVAC, and we will cover everything about the HVAC in this playlist. So in this video there is a brief overview of our playlist. In this playlist we will discuss what is HVAC, functions of HVAC, why HVAC is important, why we use HVAC, principle or mechanism of working of HVAC, mean how HVAC works or what is the basic principle of HVAC, components of HVAC, what are the parts of HVAC. Basically three main parts: AHU, air handling unit, which is the blue color box which almost everyone see on the roof of the buildings, ducts and grills. If we take AHU, it is the main part and main structures of the HVAC are installed in this box. AHU is air handling unit, and air handling unit has many different important parts which are housing, mixing box, filters. We will also discuss filters of HVAC which are very important components of HVAC. We will discuss first line of defense filters, second line of defense filter and third line of defense filters. Heating coils we will discuss, cooling coils we will discuss, how dehumidification of air is done in HVAC we will also discuss about it, how humidification, sometimes we need to humidify our air, so how we carry out humidification we will also discuss in our HVAC playlist. Blower, what is the role of blower, we will also discuss in details. And at the end, after understanding the basics of HVAC, we will discuss air locks. What are the air locks? We will discuss different types of the air locks, and we'll also discuss the air lock with practical examples so that we can easily understand the functioning of HVAC and nature of the HVAC. So be with us, watch complete playlist, and if you have any confusion you can ask in the comment. So in the next video we will start from first topic, what is HVAC, and we will discuss one by one in further videos. So till the next video, Allah Hafiz.